And that problem is a 200-pound piece of steaming, stinking monkey crap, and his name is Shane McMahon.
With the boss man.
Rocket is you who is the big piece of monkey crap.
Monkey crap? Shane The Rock says.
And Rock, I'll tell you one thing right now. You better take your attitude out of my face if you smell what the boss is cooking.
Jabroni, you are 3 seconds away. And The Rock means 3 seconds away from The Rock to lay the smack down on your candy ass.